Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hidden Valley, local and long distance movers near me. Our long distance relocation is flawless. We not only drive through the 50-mile journey in comfort, but we also do it without exhausting our clients or overcharging them. We accomplish this move because of our excellent connection with the migration authorities. In addition to this, we offer insurance coverage to protect our customers before, during, and after the move. Our clients' safety and the security of their belongings are of top priority. You may rest easy knowing that your property is in capable hands. Our movers are well trained and adhere to the schedule. They also ensure that the client is always comfortable. All of our clientele speak highly about our services, and you only need to request reviews from them if you need evidence. We can also assure you that these evaluations will be favorable. Our rates in the Hidden Valley and neighboring towns are fair, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. You also have a pleasant experience with our dedicated and ethical movers throughout our business partnership. Continue reading to learn more about some of our other services if you need anything else. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hidden Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.